In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to insert a new row after every row in Google Sheets so you can quickly add space for notes or extra data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your Google Sheet and go to the next empty column beside your data. In the first cell, type 1 and in the cell below it, type 2. Now, select both cells and drag the small blue square downward. This will create a repeating pattern of 1 and 2 next to all your rows. Next, go below your data and create the same 1 and 2 pattern again for the same number of rows. This second set will help create space between your original rows. Now, select your entire data including the new number column. Go to the top menu, click on Data and choose Sort Range, then Advanced Sorting. Select your number column and choose A to Z sorting. Once you click Sort, your rows will automatically rearrange. You'll now see that a blank row appears after each original row, giving you space between every entry. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a new row after each row without doing it manually. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.